In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a newsletter from GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the process from opening your account all the way to reviewing and sending your campaign, so you can confidently send a polished newsletter to your audience. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and heading straight to your Launchpad. This is your main starting dashboard, where you'll find all the tools you need. From here, look for the marketing section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Marketing is where all your email-related tools live. Once you're in marketing, click on emails. This takes you into the email area where you can manage broadcasts, templates, and stats. Next, move into the campaigns tab. Campaigns are what GoHighLevel uses for newsletters or bulk email sends. So this is where you'll build your newsletter. Now click on Create Campaign. This opens the setup for a brand new email campaign. You'll be asked to choose a starting point. Select the blank option, which is the default from scratch template. This gives you full control over your design. You'll then see 3 editor options: the design editor, the code editor, and the plain text editor. Click select on the option you prefer. Most people will use the design editor because it's drag and drop and very visual. Inside the design editor, you'll see a panel on the left-hand side with all your elements, such as text, images, buttons, and dividers. These are the building blocks for your email. To build your newsletter, click on an element like a text block, then drag and drop it onto the email area in the middle of the screen. Once you drop a text element in, you'll see customization options appear, including background color, padding, alignment, and more. Take a moment to adjust these so your content is easy to read and matches your branding. You can repeat this process with other elements. Click on another element, like an image or button, and drag it onto your email where you want it. This is how you structure your newsletter with headings, body text, images, and calls to action. At the top of the screen, you'll see an untitled campaign name. Click the little pen icon next to it and give your campaign a clear internal name. This won't be seen by your subscribers, but it will help you stay organized later. When you're happy with the layout and content, click on Preview. This lets you see what your newsletter will look like for your recipients before you move forward. Check spacing, links, and how it appears on screen. Once everything looks good, click on Send or Schedule. This moves you into the final setup step. Here, click into the sender name field and add the name you want your subscribers to see in their inbox. Then, click into the sender email field and add the email address you want to send from. Make sure it's an address you have properly set up and verified in GoHighLevel. Next, click into the subject line field and type a clear, compelling subject. After that, fill in the preview text field. This is the short line that appears next to or under the subject in most inboxes, so use it to reinforce why someone should open your email. When all of that is set, click on Review and Send. This is where you'll choose which contacts or lists will receive the newsletter and confirm the final details. Once you've selected your audience and reviewed everything, you're ready to send or schedule your newsletter in GoHighLevel.